Welcome to Blue Baron Carpet Cleaning Systems, home of the Access Point heat exchangers and Blue Baron truck mounts. And here we have the 36 SC that's being built, a 33 SC, and a 45 SC. And it's sometimes unusual to have them all being built at the same time. But in any case, we have a fully manufactured 33 SC with a 3MR blower, still capable of 250 CFM. We have a Kohler engine, which is 20.5 Kohler. A lot of torque and very, very well priced, even with the economy and what's going on today. This is May 21st, 2021, and we've managed to keep our pricing down despite everything that's going on in the economy. Everything we do is made here at the Holiday Factory. So we got the 45 SC and a custom orange that the customer requested, and of course the 33 SC, as well as a 36 SC, which will be completed very soon. So despite everything that's going on, because of our long-standing quality and performance in pricing and customer service, we've been able to keep our factory very busy, and we enjoy what we do. Our units are fully guaranteed. Our Access Point patented heat exchangers are capable of 3,500 pounds pressure rating, so you can go into the high pressure ranges, whereas these other manufacturers drop off because they're using copper. And when you use cheap quality copper cores for your heaters, that diminishes your capabilities of being able to operate at acceptable operating pressures to do a lot of jobs. So these units, you can get a lot of work out of them. And they're multi-purpose in the way of carpet cleaning and pressure washing. It far exceeds anything that Jon-Don is selling out there. All of their units are overpriced because they got the middlemen all wanting to sell as much as they can to try to pay their expenses for their large facilities, and consequently you end up paying, and for more money and less engineering and less performance. Everything we do is of high quality. We use a lot of stainless and in throughout, as far as our stainless braided hoses. We use high quality bar stock fittings. Everything is well engineered and well put together. And we're just proud of what we put together here. We have the quarter plate, all CNC'd with laser cutouts, all calibrated and proportioned to allow this population of expensive components to be lined up properly. Beautiful alignments on all our belts and pulleys. We have pullbacks that allow you true tension. And we also have an angle alignment in the back, which pulls on the blower to allow a perfect alignment on an angular alignment, both for angular and tension. So we go all out to make a user-friendly panel. We have a technometer, and we also have a bonus hour meter, pressure gauge, vacuum gauge, temperature gauge, where our last step injection, which we have set up, protective belt guards to protect you against moving pulleys and belts. So everything is here. All stainless header. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? All stainless 316L, highly polished, beautifully constructed. Accessories right here for your pump out and for your demand pump. Drain. We also have a drain in the back also for the pump itself. Just a really nice setup. We enjoy what we do, and beautiful diamond plate. Look at that. Hand adjuster unloader. Everything's handy to get to. You can run multiple tools off the front panel. We've got a drain for our water box in case you're up in the freezing area of the country and you want to drain your your water box, to allow pure antifreeze or windshield wiper fluid so that you can induct it into your water system and protect it against freezing. We have thermostatic control. We got adjustable bypass to keep the circulation going. We have high limit shutdown. Everything is here. We have a post heater at the bottom, and that allows you to have regenerative heat coming back into your water box. And of course we have a thermal guard on your water box to protect your pump. And we're just proud of what we put together here. It's kind of unusual to have a 33 SE and a 36 SE and a 45 SE build going on at the same time. So any color that you want for your company's theme color, we're ready to produce. I don't care what color it is. Whatever suits your fancy and makes your company glow and exceedingly perform. And you know, so some people like orange. Comes off nice with the orange and black. This unit is going to be done very, very soon. And we still have some more work to do on it, but it'll be done very soon. And we're just taking in the orders. Even in 2021, this is May 18th, and we're just as busy as always. We just got another 36 SE that just came in. We're doing numbers of heat exchangers. We got all kinds of tubing that's coming in and parts that go to our heat exchangers. So we're helping the industry out even in troubling times to keep the prices down. Everybody's going up on the price. People are asking me, when am I going up in the pricing? Well, at some point there's a breaking point, but so far so good. We've kept the pricing down because all our proprietary parts like heat exchangers, our patented heat exchangers, all produced here at the factory. So we keep everything tight. We keep our expenses down. We don't have huge warehouses like John Don that have a lot of people that most of the time they're just kind of standing around dragging down the expense to create higher pricing and products and truck mounts. Here in Holiday, Florida, we have a very well-tuned and well-operating fab shop that allows us to keep the pricing down. We have CNC services that allow us to get really good cuts on our panels, which actually this panel comes in two halves and is TIG welded. I do all the infrastructure, and when I get these plate work to come in, they're all quarter plate. There's just like a real lot of quality in this. I don't even know if anybody does quarter plate. I've never heard of anybody, but we do here at Blue Baron Truck Mounts. So we're proud of the quality that we put together. And so we're here in Florida. We keep building all the time, 15 years building. So call us today at 727-505-2989. If you have any questions, come down and sample one of our units, try it out, and see the performance. Go on our store, online 24/7 store at truckmountstore.com, 24/7. And we have a whole array of products. Also, we have a matching inline filter box, nicely put together. We're going to augment it with fittings, and that will be part of this machine right here, which is being finished off. And so that's it for now until our next video. Thank you.